How to secure your Amazon account. In order to figure it out, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to your application Amazon. Enter your login credential and log into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, now head over to your profile at the bottom of the screen. Once you are in here, click on Account at the top. Now scroll down in the section of Account Settings, head over to Login and Security. Tap on Allow for the Face ID. Once you have set the Face ID, the next thing you want to do is you need to verify the email for the security and the protection of your account. So tap on Add and enter the email. Once you have entered the email address, now scroll down and you can see the option of two-step verification. Tap on Turn On. Over here, you have to select your specific country. Once you have selected, enter the phone number that you have been using. Once you have entered the phone number, tap on Continue. You'll receive one verification code on your number. Enter the code, and then your two-step verification will be set. After that, whenever you try to log into your account, you will need to enter the code that you will be receiving in your mobile number. And that's how you can secure your account. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.